This machine is the model RLTC-SP. It has the lip balm and small vial adapter. That's this part right here, the small rollers that you see. The big roller can stay in the machine if you want to, or you can take it out if you want to. I'm just leaving it in. So this tube is exactly the same size as a lip balm. To apply the label for the lip balm, here's your bottle stop, and you just apply the label, and you get a perfect result as far as where it meets. And that will be for round lip balms or small vials that you may have. Other than that, you'll be getting videos from us showing you how to take the lip balm small vial adapter off and put the regular rollers back in. Over here we see the spring plate. As you can see, I've loosened the gold cord and put the springs on there so that they can stay with the machine at all times, and you want to make sure that this roller doesn't get lost too. So that's about it. I will be talking to you on the phone, I'm sure, when you get this machine, and I'll be helping you learn to work the machine in the various modes it's capable of.